हेलो व्यूअर्स, आज हम रीडिंग लेने जा रहे हैं फॉर अल्फ़ाबेट आर मेल। हमारे जितने भी व्यूअर्स हैं जिनका नाम आर से शुरू होता है और वो मेल है, ये उनके लिए टाइमलेस रीडिंग है इन टर्म्स ऑफ रिलेशनशिप। और मेरे पास जो कार्ड्स ड्रॉ हुए हैं वो हुए हैं व्हील ऑफ फॉर्च्यून, द लवर्स, सेवन ऑफ स्वॉर्ड्स एंड ऑल ओवर एनर्जी मेरे पास आई है 8 ऑफ कप्स की। सो द व्हील ऑफ फॉर्च्यून जो कार्ड है एक पावरफुल कार्ड है। इट शोज चेंज, इट शोज डेस्टिनी, इट शोज अबाउट द karmic cycle. Now something unexpected may be unfolding in your relationship. It could be a turning point, either a positive or it can also bring you closer to more karmic cycle. When we talk about the lovers card, so the lover cards always shows the deep connection. It also shows about the choice, it also shows about the union. Now this point out to the soul level bond, but it also highlights the need to make an important decisions of your life. There may be a high possibility where you are thinking in a way like there is something head versus heart kind of situation. The third card जो आपका ड्रॉ हुआ है दैट इज अ 6 of Swords. Now 6 of Swords always tell you about moving, some transition. It can be a healing journey also. Now there is a desire or you want to leave behind something, the pain you have in the past, you want, or some conflicts that, or some confusion that you want to leave behind and you want to move forward. So this can also means to emotional distancing or even a physical movement of yourself. Now all over energy हमारे पास आई है 8 of Cups की. That is again emotional withdrawal or you are seeking more deeper fulfillment. Now it suggests someone is feeling unfulfilled emotionally or taking space for something more meaningful thing. But collectively, if I see all the cards which has been drawn for the viewers whose name starts with letter R and they are male, so I can see that these cards are showing a major karmic shift, and either you or your partner who is looking out or considering to take a break from this relationship and to seek for a clarity. It might be a possibility that you or your partner is struggling with a decision. You guys want to take some decisions for your future, but still you guys need time, you need to think on it, because the energies of what we had drawn is showing a movement. So best of luck and thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.